In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add login and registration forms using WordPress. These features are fundamental for websites that require user interaction or membership, and adding them is an essential skill for those maintaining and building websites on WordPress. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. This is the starting point where you can access all the dashboard features to manage and enhance your website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to use your Google account for faster access. So click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the process as it uses existing credentials, reducing the need to remember another password. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account associated with your WordPress site. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. A useful shortcut is to find the quick links section on the right panel. Here you'll see an option to edit your site. Click on Edit Site. This action will direct you to the WordPress editor, where you can make tweaks, additions, and enhance your site's appearance and functionality. At this stage, you'll find yourself in the site editor. The next step is to click on your website to open the page where you wish to add these forms. Once inside the site editing mode, look towards the top left of the page, where there's an Add button. Clicking this opens up a world of widgets and features that you can incorporate into your site. You'll notice a search bar appear. Type in registration into this bar to find the right widget swiftly. To integrate the registration functionality, click on registration form from the list of available widgets. This form will allow new users to create accounts on your website, promoting user engagement and interaction. Once the registration form is in place, it's time to tackle the login side of things. Return to the Add button and this time punch in login into the search bar. The search should lead you to a widget called Login Out. Click on it to insert it into your page. This element is vital as it allows existing users to access their accounts effortlessly. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to add essential user forms on your WordPress site. By incorporating both registration and login forms, you enhance the user experience and make your website more interactive. This straightforward approach ensures your online platform is both accessible and engaging. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial makes your WordPress website even better. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your site stand out.